We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off controls in 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go, we're underway. The blue Alliance, the California Alliance, trying to line themselves up. Legend, 1, 2, 3, going up top. Alliance partners, Infinibots doing the same. Here comes Hyperion on the red Alliance side, alongside Brainstem, shooting up 3 of their own. Long shots coming in from Hyperion, the Romanian team. 3 going in. Legend continuing to shoot with a few more. Meanwhile, Infinibots doing the same, continuing to open up their classifier and shoot more artifacts into the top. The 2 Fremont teams working in tandem to shoot 4 more up top as Brainstem does the same, grabbing 3 more from their close Alliance side. 3 going up top at the last second from Brainstem.
Pick up your controllers.
Blue Alliance with a 90-57 lead, but will it hold?
3, 2, 1.
Scores crawl up 101-70 at the end of Autonomous. Hyperion, they have 3 artifacts inside their own by now being boxed out by 21-227 Legend. On that far side, we see Infinibots doing the same, grabbing 3 artifacts from that close angle. 22-3-12 continues to do it from their close launch zone. This is what we usually see. 2, 1 close, 1 far from each side. Legend being blocked out by the flywheels of Hyperion as we see them touching those other shooter wheels of Legend. 22-12 Brainstem Robotics team grabbing 3 from their far side as they shoot up 1-3. They're all up and good. Infinibots doing the same for the Blue Alliance side, grabbing 3 more, opening up that classifier to score even more points. Blue Alliance now starting to crawl away with the lead, 152-136, but Red Alliance is right behind them. Long shots going from Hyperion, only 1 out of 3 though, that could be consequential later on. Legend grabbing 3 more, 1, 2, 3, they're up and good. 1, 2, 3 up and go from their Alliance partners, Infinibots. Skill, driving, and shooting all around. Hyperion with another 3. Brainstem with another 3 for Red. Oh, a belt comes off! Somebody's belt has come off on the Blue Alliance side. I'm not sure who, but that could be consequential. 22-97, grabbing artifacts still from the classifier as the robots continue to shoot and score. Seems nobody was affected by the belt loss. Another crunch from the middle of the field as 22-12 Brainstem continues to shoot. Blue Alliance continuing to point in the lead, 270 and 229, but Red Alliance is undeterred, shooting from downtown, another 15-point swing from Brainstem and Hyperion. Here comes 21-227, Legend right behind them, continuing to box out Hyperion from the far shooting zone. 22-97, continuing to open up the classifier and make more points for the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance right behind them though, Brainstem only down by about 30 points. 22-97 continuing to shoot up for Blue as Legend continues to fire shots the other Fremont team, 1 out of 3. Contact inside the shooting zone as 22-12 continues to pick up and open up that classifier. It's now time to think about parking. Can Brainstem get over? Yes, they can. Oh no! The Blue Alliance! Alliance number 2 advances to the finals with a score of 3-2 to 336. Alliance number 5 is not yet done though. We will see them